Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open developer tools in the Google Chrome web browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you're ready to access the developer tools, I'll walk you through 3 different methods you can use. The first method is through Chrome's menu system. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal Chrome's main menu. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled More Tools. This will expand a secondary menu with additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Developer Tools. This will immediately open the Developer Tools panel, typically docking it to the right side or bottom of your browser window. This panel gives you access to various debugging and inspection features that are essential for web development and troubleshooting. Now, if you prefer a faster approach, the second method uses a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl-Shift-I simultaneously on your keyboard. This combination will instantly launch the Developer Tools panel without needing to navigate through any menus. This shortcut is particularly useful when you need quick access during development work or when inspecting elements on a web page. It's the same Developer Tools panel you access through the menu, but reaching it this way saves you several clicks and speeds up your workflow significantly. The third and perhaps easiest method is even more straightforward. All you need to do is press the F12 key on your keyboard. Just one single keystroke and the Developer Tools will open right away. This is probably the quickest method of all and is widely used by developers because of its simplicity. Like the previous methods, this opens the exact same Developer Tools interface with all its powerful features for inspecting code, debugging JavaScript, monitoring network activity, and much more. And that's it. You now know 3 different ways to access Chrome's Developer Tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.